And go the other way with the cross slide or the compound. That's pretty neat. She's an oldie but goodie. Got a taper attachment, 15 by 42. Kind of got a speed selector up here. It tells you where to set your machine for material you're cutting. And it all corresponds with these levers here. It's got a Loris tool holder and I don't know, I think a dozen quick change tool holders. It's got a 4-jaw, 3-jaw, they're both 8-inch, 5C collet, a manual collet chuck, and 14, and I think it's an 8 face plate there. And it's got a follow rest, and here's your taper attachment. Thank you for watching.